Good morning, children. I'm going to teach you today class 8D. It so happened the selfish giant part 1, the rest part of part 1. Now, I think you must have written these word meanings earlier. So, now we'll start the chapter. The birds did not care to sing in it as there were no children, and the trees forgot to blossom. Now the birds, they did not sing in his garden because there were no children, and the trees forgot to blossom to give flowers. The flowers were not blooming on the trees. Once a beautiful flower put its head out from the grass, but when it saw the notice board, it was so sorry for the children that it slipped back into the ground again. Now, once there was a flower coming up, making his face above, and when he noticed the notice board, he was very sorry for the children that it slipped back into the ground. Means that flower also slipped back on the ground again and went off to sleep, and then it went off to sleep. The only people who were pleased were the snow and the frost. Snow and the frost, the hailstorm and the snowfall. Now spring has forgotten this garden, they cried. Now spring had forgotten this garden, they cried. So we will live here all the year round. Now the snow and the frost, they told that the spring has forgotten this garden, so we will live here all the year round. The snow covered up the grass with her great white cloak. Now the snow covered the grass with her great white cloak, means all over there were snow, and the frost painted all the trees silver, and the frost painted all the trees silver. Then they invited the north wind to stay with them. After that, they invited the north wind, and north wind also came there and stayed with them. Now, and he came, he was wrapped in furs. Now the north wind was wrapped in furs, covered in furs, and he rode all day about the garden, rode making heavy noise, or rode like tigers. They rode all day about the garden and blew the chimney pots down. They rode, means they came with very heavy storm, and all about the garden, all day about the garden, and blew the chimney pots down. Now this is a delightful spot, he said. We must ask Hail on a visit. Now Northwind is telling that this is a delightful spot, means very happy spot. He said, the Hail said, the north wind said, we must ask the Hail on a visit. So the Hail came every day for 3 hours. It rattled on the roof of the castle. Rattled, it came down, making lot of sound on the roof of the castle, which was made up of slates. Now a castle means house, small house, till he broke most of the slates, and then he ran round and round the garden as fast as he could go. Now later on it then ran round and round the garden as fast as he could go. He was dressed in grey, and his breath was like ice. Now he was dressed in grey, and his breath was like ice. I cannot understand why the spring is so late in coming. Now the selfish giant is said the selfish giant. The selfish giant is telling, I can't understand why the spring is so late in coming, said the selfish giant, as he sat at the window and looked out at his cold white garden. As he sat on the window and he looked at the cold white garden, I hope there will be a change in the weather. But the spring never came, nor the summer, and the autumn gave golden fruits to every garden, but to the giant's garden she gave none. Now the spring never came, nor the summer in his garden. The autumn gave golden fruits to all the garden, but to the giant's garden she gave none. He is too selfish, she said. So it was always winter there, and the north wind, and the hail, and the frost, and the snow danced about through the trees. Now he is too selfish. They are telling that the giant was too selfish, so there was always winter there, and the north wind, and the hail, and the frost, and the snow danced about through these trees. One morning, the giant was lying awake in his bed when he heard some lovely music. It sounded so sweet to his ears that he thought, it must be the king's musician passing by. Now, when he woke up early morning, he heard some music in his ears. It sounded so sweet that he thought it must be king's musicians passing by. It was really only a little linnet singing outside his window. Small singing bird is known as the linnet. It was singing outside his window, but it was so long since he had heard a bird singing in his garden that it seemed to him to be the most beautiful music in the world. It was so long that he has since heard the song, so he thought that it was the most beautiful music of the world. Then the hail stopped dancing over his head, and the north wind ceased roaring, stopped roaring, and a delicious perfume came to him through the open casement. Now there was a delicious perfume came to him through the open casement. I believe the spring has come at last. Now the giant is telling that I think the spring has come at last, said the giant, and he jumped out of his bed and looked out. So he jumped out of his bed and he looked out. Up till here only for today. We will do next in the next video.